everyone, welcome back to this channel Skynu, and if you are new to this channel then welcome to this channel Skynu, where I upload travel vlogs, daily vlogs and fun challenges. Yes, talking about challenges, this video is going to be a photo shoot challenge given by my friend Dina. So let's dive into the video by friend Dina saying which color should I wear for my photo shoot challenge.
Hi guys, my name is Dina and today I'm here at Sky News channel and I'm also a content creator, and if you want to check out my channel, the link will be in the description box below, and you can also search me by my name Dina Lepcha, and I happen to make vlogs, dance videos, challenge videos and many more, so don't forget to check out my channel. And for today's photo shoot, I'm challenging Skynu with sky blue color, as her channel name itself is Skynu, so I believe that she will gonna rock this color. So let's see how it will go. And if you want to know that by which color Numan has challenged me for my photo shoot, then you must visit my channel and kindly do let us know that how we have performed, and I hope you guys will enjoy this. Bye.
So for my photo shoot, she has chosen the color sky blue, and I happen to have only one sky blue skirt, I'll show you. This one, I clicked photos with this skirt, and this is the closest to sky blue that I have in my wardrobe for now, since I am in room, so I cannot access a lot of other options. So, and another thing I use for my photo shoot is this is a big what you call it, pendant. This is a big pendant and if you see closely, it's a beautiful what you call that, reflection. Oh, la, la, la. I use this for my photo shoot, and another thing I used is a glitter, which happened to be blue in color. And yes, see, how do you show this? Like this. I applied this glitters little bit over here and on my lips, but it's not good for your eyes and lips, so you should not put it, but still just for creativity and for fun I used this. And another thing I should mention is this blue nail paint. Nong kajar shan bhairakcha, but still, so I used it to go with my outfit. And last thing I used is the sky was so blue that day, yesterday, so I went and clicked with the sky in the terrace, so I used these cottons as well. And yeah, I used my flared jeans and jacket, which I wore inside this skirt. This is my main blue skirt, as in what you call that category. So moving on to the theme of my photo shoot challenge. So first theme for my photo shoot challenge is the picnic spot. Do we call it picnic spot or picnic, what you call that place? So particularly I made that up with the newspaper. I pasted the newspaper onto that brick in the terrace, and I used some of the apples. I had apple and lemons together with my favorite YY and chips, Lays. So yes, I kept one book and a cup. So first category is picnic category. I hope you will like it. So please tell me which one is your favorite, because I took so many of them, but I am presenting only the few of those photos. So let's watch it. Ta-da-da! I'll keep it all over here. So the second theme for my photo shoot challenge is with the sky. So yes, I clicked a lot of pictures with the sky because since the sky was so blue. So let's display the photos. The third theme for my photo shoot challenge, I took it with these cottons. So the theme would be blue with red. So let's see the photos with the red cottons. Now the fourth theme for my photoshoot challenge is I took some of the glitters, as I told you before, and the name I would give is glittery blue. Let's see the photos. So the fourth theme for my photoshoot challenge, I will keep the name as, since it gives illusion, no, like, so I'll give the name as Illusional Blue. So thank you everyone for watching this video. You know, this was a real struggle for me to do in a day, and plus how many times do I have to repeat, but still I will say that I cannot access a lot of things for a good photo shoot challenge. So I have mercy on me because this is my first time doing a photo shoot challenge. So please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I wonder what Dina has came up with the color that I have chosen for her. So if you want to check it out, then a link will be in my description box. So finally, what I want to say is comment below which photos you like the most, and if you just watch and go without commenting, that will break my heart, you know. So please comment. And yes, without your support I am nothing. And stay tuned for the amazing video that I'm going to bring in the upcoming days, because I've been working a lot with that. There's this fun challenge with my subscribers, and if you are also interested, then you can comment down. I'll just, you know, put you in my next video. And bye bye, stay safe, take care, and stay awesome. Bye bye.